Welcome to Junk a Car in Bath Beach, Brooklyn, NY. Cash for junk cars. Do you need to junk a car in Bath Beach, Brooklyn, NY? Do you have an old, unwanted, damaged, wrecked, or non-running vehicle sitting in your driveway, garage, parking lot, or on the street? Are you looking for a fast and easy way to sell your junk car for cash? Have you been wondering what to do with your vehicle that no longer runs or costs too much money to repair? Well, you're in the right place. At Junk a Car in Bath Beach, Brooklyn, New York, we help Brooklyn vehicle owners turn unwanted cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, minivans, and other vehicles into cash. Many people in Bath Beach, Brooklyn have vehicles they no longer need. Maybe the engine is bad, the transmission has failed. Was the vehicle involved in an accident, or maybe it's simply not worth spending thousands of dollars on repairs. Instead of letting that vehicle sit around, why not turn it into cash? We buy junk cars in Bath Beach, Brooklyn, New York, and the surrounding areas. Whether your vehicle is running or not, we are able to help. Do you have a damaged vehicle or a high-mileage car that's reached the end of its life? Are you looking for free junk car removal in Bath Beach, Brooklyn, NY? We purchase vehicles in any condition and make it fast and simple. Our process is easy. First, call us at 718-376-3606 or visit junkmycarbrooklynny.com. Next, tell us a little about your vehicle. We'll ask for information such as the year, make, model, condition, and location. Then we'll provide you with a cash for cars offer. Once you accept the offer, we'll arrange a pickup time that works for you. There are no towing fees, no hidden charges, and no surprises. We proudly serve Bath Beach and neighborhoods in Brooklyn including Bay Ridge, Gravesend, Sheepshead Bay, Flatbush, Midwood, Borough Park, Brighton Beach, Coney Island, and surrounding areas. Our goal is to help Bath Beach, Brooklyn residents remove unwanted vehicles and receive cash in return. Whether your vehicle has mechanical problems, accident damage, flood damage, high mileage, or simply isn't worth repairing, we're ready to help. Don't let that unwanted vehicle continue taking up valuable space. Get cash for your junk car today. Call 1-718-376-3606 or visit junkmycarbrooklynny.com. We are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including weekends and holidays. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more information about junk cars, cash for cars, vehicle removal, and selling your vehicle in Bath Beach, Brooklyn, New York. To get started, click on the links below this video. You'll find links about cash for junk cars, selling your car for cash, junk car removal, and how to junk your car. You'll also find our website, phone number, and contact information below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you turn your unwanted vehicle into cash.